Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know that it's been a while since I haven't been here. If you see me for the very first time, I'm Valentina. I'm a professional makeup artist based in London and I'm also a content creator. I'll leave my Instagram handle here so you can come and see me there as well. Today's video is gonna be something totally different, something that you haven't seen me doing it before. It's gonna be a haul. It's gonna be a Zara haul. And now, let's move on. I've seen almost all of these items in the store before lockdown, and I was like, should I buy them? Should I wait a little bit and buy them after a while? Because usually when I see some products, some items, fashion items, jewelries, makeup and so on, I'm like, I have to have it like now. And I said that I should calm down, and usually when I want to buy something, I wait a little bit, and only after that, if I still feel like I want those items, then I'm gonna buy them. If not, no. So I will start with the first two items that I have here, and I have two skirts, this one and this one. I love both of them, but I think I'm more excited about this one. This is a black faux leather mini skirt. I think I should have bought the smallest size that's available because I lost some weight and I'm afraid that this one is not gonna be right for myself. But it also has this belt here, which makes me think that it may be good enough because you can basically adjust it. This one was 29.99 pounds, 30 pounds, and I think it's so beautiful. So if you are following me on Instagram, then you will see more outfit inspirations there. Now the second skirt, which also I think is beautiful, but it may be quite big for myself because it's in the same size, is size S, but there is another size, a smaller size, which is available as well for this one. I love the fact that it is a pleated skirt, and also the fact that it has these things here. How do you call them? I don't know the word in English. But I think they look nice, and I think this would look so beautiful because I have some boots, long boots that are pretty much the same color, and they will look so beautiful, and in the same time I think they will look so beautiful with long black boots, you know, and a simple black jumper. And I bought something else. Let me show you. I have it right over here. I bought these boots, these chunky boots, which I think they are super nice, and I think they would look so beautiful on my leg. The size is 36, which basically is a 3 in the UK, if I'm not wrong. But can't wait to try them on and to wear them because they are not heavy at all, you know. I think they are super comfortable. They have a little bit like a heel here, will help me to look a little bit more taller because I have short legs. Okay, so I didn't tell you what's the price of the skirt. This one was 26 pounds, so basically it's cheaper than the other one, but in the same time, you know, I can say that there is a difference between these two when it comes to the material. One has I only now see that's so cool. So basically this is a skirt, but it has this thing inside, which actually will make it like shorts. Oof, can you see the difference? I don't know how to show you. So now I will move on with the boots, and let's see, I don't remember exactly the price of the boots, but I think they were a little bit pricey. Okay, I found the other one. So we have here the price. Let's see how much it was. So this one, they were 49 pounds. In the end, it's not that much, but they are looking absolutely gorgeous, and I think they will look so nice. Okay, so the next items that I've ordered are pretty similar, and I've ordered them because I saw them in the store and I was like, these should be super comfortable and they should be perfect as lounge wears. I don't know if I can show you how they look like, I will try them on so you can also see how they look like. This should be size, yes, this is size M. They are available, the smallest size is S, which I think I should have ordered because they may look a little bit too big on myself, but at the same time, you know, I was thinking that they should be very comfortable and they should be perfect, even they are bigger size. I also got this, which is in size S, and they look perfectly together. This is Care for Fiber, at least 50% of ecologically grown cotton, so you can see, you can feel that it's cotton, and it feels so nice when you touch it. This was 18 pounds and the trousers were, let's see, 20 pounds. The sweatshirt is a cropped one, so it's not super long, but it also has this here, so you can adjust the size. So excited about this one, and wait for it because I have something similar. But I'm gonna put this here. Cut. Now, I have these joggers, which, to be honest, I love the color. I absolutely adore it. And let me show you. I don't know why I didn't put everything closer. Let me show you the difference. So basically, this one has this elastic here, which makes it even more comfortable. And I think the price of this one, I don't know if it's the same. Let me check. So this one, is the same. This one was 18 here. This one is in small size. I think this purple color suits me so well, and this one is also part of their limitless contour collection. I also love the fact that the trousers are have this elastic here, so basically you can wear them with different other outfits. I also got these faded joggers. They also have the elastic here, and it was like I knew that the second lockdown is coming, so I got myself ready with ordering these items. These loungewears, I think they are so comfortable and they look so good. And I also like this sweater in size S, but it's looking like it's quite bigger than S. Let's see, this one was 20 pounds, so it is a little bit more expensive than the other one, but not too much. And this one has at least 95% of ecologically grown cotton, and this one has only 50%. Now let me show you something that I wished so bad and I dreamed about them. These are my new slippers. They are looking so good. I think they are so fluffy and so comfortable, and I also love this color. Initially I was thinking that maybe I should not buy them on white because, you know, they will get dirty easier, but after that I said, you know what, I love them too much and I have to have them. And yes, I've ordered them, and yes, they look good. They look so good and they are so fluffy. They are super nice. The size is 36 and you can find them in Zara Home. I don't remember the price, but let me have a look. These are called crossover for pure slippers, and the price was 26 pounds. Yes, I'm so happy about this. I am absolutely in love with them. Now, let's move on with the next items. I have only a few of them left. This item is something which is super simple. You may have something similar at home. I know that I have a few of them, but you know what, I'm ordering them all the time because I find them very comfortable. This one is in size S and it was 20 pounds. You know, you can basically wear this with everything, with absolutely everything, and I also love the details. I know that the other ones that I have, they have like small pearls, small white pearls, and the other one has something over here as well, some details that basically make the difference. and this one is cropped. I know for sure that you can find high neck kits similar to this one from different other brands as well, and I also know that you can find them in different other colors, which I think that they are must-have items, you know, even if you don't know how to mix the clothes, how to combine them, and how to make a super cool outfit. When you wear black, you can mix it with everything at all because it's gonna be easier. I mean, imagine this one with one of the skirts with the boots that I got. Now I know that many of you will say that I didn't need this item, and the truth is that yes, I didn't need it, but I was dying to have it. I saw it in the store and I was like, oh, this is so beautiful and I have to have it. And again I said, no, Valentina, you are spending too much money on things that you don't actually need them in this time. And I was like, no, I have to order it, and yes, I ordered it. This one was a little bit expensive in my opinion, and the truth is that I'm absolutely obsessed with everything that is house related, home related. I think these small details can make such a huge difference. Yes, it is a dish soap, but it's so beautiful. But I mean, imagine, my soap will look so different. I'll show you my old one and you will see the difference and you will understand why I bought it. This one, let me check again to see what was the price. It was 16 pounds. It is too much? I have only 2 more items left. I hope you didn't get bored by now. One of the items, I don't have it here because I did my makeup and I took some more pictures yesterday, but I can show you the first one. Basically is these are some jewelries and they are looking like this. The other one is pretty similar with this one. So this one is in size M. It's only one size available. This one was 10 pounds, and if I'm not wrong, the other one was 10 pounds as well. I will put one of the pictures here or here somewhere so you can see how they look like when I'm wearing them. But I think they are looking so good. Let me find the other one, and I'm coming back to show you what's the difference. Found it. I usually put them in a safe place so I can easily find them, but I'm doing the same thing as my grandma did. She used to put them in some of the places that you wouldn't think they are there, and I forgot about them as she used to do. So the next one, it looks like this. Let me show you the difference between them because it's not a huge difference. This is how they look like. I've been wearing this one because I don't know, I had the feeling that is more suitable for myself than the other one, so I'm not sure if I should keep both of them or maybe one of them. Let me know in the comments below which one do you like, or if you like any of them. Okay, so this was it, guys. These were all the items that I've ordered before lockdown, and this was my first haul, my first Zara haul. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I promise that I'm going to be doing more videos like this one, similar to this one. And please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed spending some time with me here. And at the same time, if you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe because I be back. See ya!